Rezoning is so much more than just a brochure.
Part of serving the public and the citizens, property owners, is actually not just taking an application, it's assisting them with the process, especially those who've never gone through the process.
But there is a due place.
Planning professionals Kelly McCormick and Skip Lindbaker work the front desk.
The other day, for instance, I spent 45 minutes with someone, and you need to take that time early on to make sure you're getting them the right district they're requesting, you know, that it fits their need and what is best for them and the county.
When planners evaluate rezoning cases, we look at the value of changing from one zoning district to another, not specifically if the use that is proposed for the site is appropriate or not, but whether the district as a whole is appropriate at that location.
While Kelly and Skip provide leadership, there is an entire team of professionals that participates in what is truly an in-depth examination process.
We do a little bit of background work, of course, as planners, and then we bring all of the major players together to one table. We have stakeholders from the water department,
The Greenville County Schools,
from the sewer authority,
roads and bridges, codes enforcement,
from our county engineering office, from SCDOT. All of those groups come together so that way we have a well-rounded and fully informed decision made on each and every rezoning case.
Any comments, Public Works?
They are called the Z Team, or zoning team, as many as 25 professionals who gather to discuss facts and provide technical analysis of cases.
When we evaluate a rezoning, we look at many things, from the comprehensive plan, the Imagine Greenville County Comprehensive Plan Future Land Use Map. We look at the transportation aspects, whether traffic will be an issue, if a road widening is proposed. We also look at things like if sewer's available, if water's available, what the school district thinks about it, what our county engineering office thinks, in order to make a well-educated and best-informed decision.
Mr. Lindbaker.
The recommendations from the Z Team meeting are presented to the Planning Commission. That commission meeting, like the public hearing, planning and development meeting, and county council meetings, are open to the public.
opposition as well.
Plus, Greenville County planners are there to assist all citizens during every step. That includes the person applying for rezoning, those opposed, and more.
One thing to keep in mind is we're available to anyone with any questions or concerns when it comes to rezoning a property, whether it be the applicant, an affected neighbor, county council, planning commissioner, anyone who sees a sign, sees something on the website or in the newspaper and has any type of question or concern. We're here 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, to answer any questions.
The formal legal process of rezoning is clear. Hopefully, this behind-the-scenes look at the evaluation confirms your trust that each and every rezoning case is given a thorough, professional, transparent examination.